Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to get bank statements inside your Commonwealth Bank app on your mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive in. Right, the first thing you need to do is make sure your Commonwealth Bank app is up to date. So head over to your Player App Store, search for Commonwealth Bank, and then make sure Commonwealth Bank is updated to the latest version. Once that is done, click on Open. And now to get statements for your accounts, just click on that account. So click on Accounts down below. And now click on the account which you'd like to find statements for. Once you've done that, click on the three vertical dots next to that account name. And then it should say View Statements. So click on to View Statements. And give it a few moments to load. And then you can find all your different statements per month on this page here. So yeah, that's it guys for this quick tutorial. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.